Welcome folks. So how is everyone doing today? Today we are going to talk about a traffic source which no one really knows about. 99.9% of the affiliate marketers don't even know this traffic source exists. Not only this traffic source has seen growth of 2.5 times. Its traffic has gone from 12 million to 30 million in 1 month, and people doesn't seem to know about it. This is the right time and the right trend to jump on the boat and make some money. So keep watching till the end. Welcome back folks to another amazing value packed video of money spam. The traffic source we are going to discuss in this video is untapped, and the trend is very high. I highly advise you to get on the roller coaster now before it sets sail, because this trend is not going to last, and if you will try to get on board this traffic a month or 2 or 6 months down the line, this may not be possible. This is completely untapped. There is almost no affiliate marketers on this traffic source at the moment, and this is the best place you can start making money in 2021. There is nothing better than this to start making your money in 2021. So without delay, let's go to my screen and let's get started. So we are on my screen now, and as usual, to sell a product, you need to select a product. The product that you will promote, you will make a sale and you will get a commission out of it. The easiest marketplaces that you can get into is called DZ24. It is one of the easiest. There are others as well, but on DZ24 you don't need approval from the product owners. You don't need approvals in the ClickBank also, but then ClickBank has started banning a lot of IPs and a lot of countries. So it is getting difficult for people to get into ClickBank. So for starting, just come to DZ24, sign up. It is a Europe based company. It is completely legit and you can start making money in no time. So without delay, let's go to my dashboard and let's start selecting a product. So as usual, there are only 3 types of products that you should start with. Either it is a relationship, it is health, or it is make money online. But the traffic source we are going to talk about is a new social media platform. It is like Facebook, it is like Twitter, it is like Instagram. It is a brand new social network. So you need to think what people will post about there. On social media, people crib about their personal problems, right? One of the problems can be how to train your dog. As simple as that, right? Because if you are a dog owner, you would already know, because I own 3 cats, so I can tell you how difficult it is in starting for a pet parent to go through the cycle of teaching their pet how to behave in a home. Dogs are even more difficult. So what happens is your dog starts doing stuff, it starts barking at wrong time, and if you don't train your dog in first 6 months, first 1 year, it is going to haunt you like anything other. So the product we are going to promote today is called Dog Skylink. Now this is an ebook. I have promoted it once and I saw it okay results with it. It has been out only for 2 weeks now, and this is a free traffic source, so you should go with a low ticket product. Don't go for a very high ticket product. As you will see, the price for this product is $45, which is very low and which is very good. But you need to consider on a free traffic source, for per sale you are going to get $27, which is still very good. If you don't know what is affiliate marketing, or if you are starting out completely new, I highly advise you to go to my very first video on this channel and watch it and come back to this video and continue from there. Anyways, so to start with, we'll click on this promote now button and we will copy our hop link. So let me copy the hop link, and as usual, I am going to come to incisors.com and shorten my link. Remember to always shorten your link, because your links are your asset. And remember, in future when I will start teaching you how to build a landing page, how to get leads, how to start sending email campaigns and all these stuffs, you can change the shortened link and people will, instead of directly going to your product page, they will start going to landing pages and you will start getting your leads. So without delay, let me log in my incisors.com dashboard and sort in the link. So I'm in my dashboard for incisors.com and we will paste our link here and we will just click on sort in. This website is completely free, by the way. So if you want to make an account, please go ahead and make one. So I will just copy it and I will paste it in a notepad. Let me open a notepad first. And we have copied our sorted link. Now we need to promote this link, right? And we are going to use our secret traffic source. Now the secret traffic source I am going to talk about in this video is called Parler. Just look at the spelling, PARLER.com. It is a brand new social network, guys, brand new social network, and it is getting amazing traffic. Let me click on similar web and let me show you how the traffic looks like. Yeah, you see this? Look at the traffic it is getting. It's amazing. And not only this, 79% of the traffic is from tier 1 country. 79% of the traffic is from USA. Just think how much traffic this website is getting. It's a brand new social network. Just look at this, 76%. And even the rest of the traffic is from tier 1 country. This is the best place to be. And we saw the trend, right? It became 2.5 times the traffic. It is sitting at close to 35 million at the moment per month. Best time to get into. So without delay, let me log into this website and let me show you how things work here. So when you log in, this is the page they will take you to. And this is where you quote or you write stuff. But let me show you the traffic it is getting for each and every article. So I just clicked on this home page and look at this. 1 hour ago, 120k, 1 hour ago. 75k traffic. 2 hours ago, 300k traffic. 1 hour ago, 70k views. Just look at it, how amazing it is. 20 hours ago, 200,000. 1 day ago, 200,000. Look at how many people are on this website. Look at this, 5 hours ago, 500k, 500,000 views. Where you are going to get this kind of traffic? And I will tell you an internal stuff. Since this website is almost brand new, they don't have any kind of spam filters in place. They don't have any kind of restrictions for link. You can go ahead and paste it. But remember, if you start spamming, you don't provide value to your customers. No one wants to get sold, right? Just think, if someone will come with a pamphlet that will say, hey, do you want to buy this product? Do you want to buy it? No, right? So what do? You need to provide a value to the customer. How do you provide a value? You offer something free first. Now you will ask what you are going to offer first. You are going to write an article that will tell the problem. For example, what we are selling in this, we are selling a dog training program, right? So you need to think what problem this guy will be having. He might be having a chewing problem. He might be having a barking problem. He might be having some problem like that. So you need to find article that you can paste here with your link that will have that kind of problem. Now you will ask, you don't know how to write an article. Don't worry, I will teach you each and everything. I have told this before also. Come to a website called PLR articles. Let me open that and let me show you how is it is. And you see all these articles are completely free, man. Let me open one. On some of them you might have to sign up, but that's about it. And here you search for dog problem article. Anything. Okay, you see this? I am on a different PLR website now. The PLR articles are completely free, completely copyright free. You can copy it and use it as you see fit. Okay, so we are just going to search for dog problem, for example, and let's see what comes up. So you see, there is already articles here. You see, dog training, how to choose a dog breeder, dog cages for happy dog. There are so many stuffs. So let's say eliminating problem dog behavior, jumping and roaming. You see this? So this is close to 671 words. Now the site, our traffic allows 200 words. It allows 1000 character, and English word on an average contains 5 letters. That means you are allowed to put somewhere around 200 words there. Now 200 words, out of those 200 words, you need to save some for the hashtags. Yes, hashtags are also a thing in this website. So you copy it, you rewrite it in your own way and make it catchy and make it around 150 words. For example, I'm just going to copy this sample and we are going to come back to our parlor and we are going to paste it here. Now see, it is 500 characters. Now you remember, whenever we paste article anywhere, what we do, we paste an image with it, because images are the things that makes this thing very catchy. So you always include an image. So for image, either you can come to pexels.com, or you can go to pixabay.com, or you can come to Canva and you can create your own image, your own brand new image. I have showed in the past how to do this, so I'm not going to teach you again how to use Canva, and you can find all the links in the description. So focus on how I'm going to paste my links here. Let's say I search for a dog photo and I got nice cute puppy photo, right? Let me just copy it and I'm going to come here. I'm going to click on GIF, paste it. Okay, something seems like some image problem is going on with the website. No worries. We will use a GIF from here and we'll search a GIF called dog. So it will come up with random photos that you can use. Let's see if we can find something. And this is from their own website. It is reusable. There is no issue with anything. So these does not look so good. I really wanted to use my own puppy image. Okay, let's see what we can do. Doesn't matter. Let's just go with any GIF, because without GIF, it doesn't look good at all. So let's just, for example, let's say just problem and let's see what comes. Okay, for example, let's just choose that one. And at the end, what you need to do, you need to paste your shortened affiliate link. So we copy it and we paste it here. Now you see, we are giving value to customer. Of course, you are not going to use this GIF. You are going to use a GIF related to a dog. So there is some problem with the website right now. That is why I was not able to upload a GIF, but you can upload a nice image here that will be related to a dog, or you can come to Canva and you can create your own animated dog GIF and you can upload it here. As simple as that, folks. And at the end, you need to paste your link and you need to say something along the lines, you should really take steps now to solve this problem, because after your dog is an adult, these problems are very hard to solve. So you see what we are doing here? We are creating a sense of urgency for the customer, and then we are going to paste our link here. As simple as that. So we have a link here and we are going to click on parlay. So it seems I have exceeded the character limit. So you need to be within the character limit to post it. For example, this. And you click on parlay and your post is live. There is no authentication, there is no moderation, there is nothing, and your post will become live immediately, and it can go viral as you are seeing in these posts. Of course, people are having problems, right? New pet parents are always having problems, or it can be a relationship niche, it can be a money making niche, it can be a health problem niche, it can be a fitness niche. It can be anything, man. It can be as simple as I want to get my boyfriend back. As simple as that. Just think, be creative and make a post. And that post will contain your affiliate link. People will click on it and you are going to make money. Each sale you are going to make money. And this market is not saturated. This is the time you get onto the port and start making money. If you miss this time, you won't be able to make money from this traffic source. This is untapped and this is the correct market and correct trend to get into now. So if you think I have helped you or this video has helped you in any way, please consider giving it a thumbs up and click the red button to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any new money making opportunities. I will see you guys in my next video.